my turtle April. Hey guys, it's Mills here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, my name is Elizabeth. There you go, rearrange the camera a little bit. And I'm gonna be doing another hairstyle tutorial and a makeup review. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do the Scorpion Ponytail. What in the world? Okay. This is awkward. Yeah, I'm gonna do this again. Look it set it up or something like that. I don't even know to begin with. And then you grab a hair tie, make it white. If you don't have a freaking white one, who cares? Alright, that wasn't a really good tutorial, but okay. Tongue a little fluffy. Okay, that was stupid. But now it's time for the makeup review, and pull that out of the way. Smashbox I have no idea I don't think there's a name for this lipstick, but it's like goldish, brownish color. I don't even know what to begin with. If my freaking hair wasn't frizzy, then it would actually look like the Hasashi Ponytail. There you go. Almost there. This applicator though. It looks like it has like a triangle-ish shape. I don't even know. Illuminati confirmed.
Hope ignited, lives changed, hearts united. Positive, encouraging. 88.1, K-Love, KLCU, and KLCU HD1, Mammoth Tucson, KSFQ Center, sharing the love and hope of Jesus because of monthly support from listeners like you.
The following program is a K-Love Public Affairs presentation. Views and opinions expressed on this program aren't necessarily that of the host, staff, or management. Content may not be suitable for young children. We'll soon look.
Got glides on. I like it.
For believers around the world, especially when they suffer persecution. Social Look's Monica Kelly sat down recently with a missionary to the Middle East to hear how he helps Jesus followers there and how he makes new ones. With me in the studio, Pastor John Cook, who's the CEO of Indigenous Ministries.
Indigenous Ministries actually started in 2003. That's when we formed. We're working through the national to reach nationals for Christ. It's literally 1/10 the cost of what a U.S. missionary takes. When a missionary finishes, he goes or she goes home, whereas
it kind of looks like it blends in with my skin, doesn't it? I don't even know.
And so we are ministering in India, we're ministering in Iran,
Ow!
Egypt,
Ow!
Asia,
Ow!
but our
Ow.
scope
Oh my
has
God.
been to reach the national,
hair.
to the national in these places.
But anyways, that's it for the makeup review, and I know it was different, but
I've been in
there's
Iraq since 2004, January. That's
2004?
facilities, and
My birth year.
Working at planting churches, we planted the first evangelical church after the Saddam regime.
It's
was taken
cute.
out. After
It's
recent
cute.
battles
It's
in
cute.
Iraq or Kurdistan.
Wait, what I want to be for Halloween is Hansel and Sashi. Just seriously.
And we've been ministering and caring for people. We've seen $250,000 reaching out through the national.
But anyways, tech credit to the day. Bye Hejdå.
What they have dealt with as far